Digital forms of money have slowly penetrated the standard cognizance and built up forward momentum. Nonetheless, a significant number of them neglect to endure for an extremely long period and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for the sake of entertainment. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2023. As per the Axie Limitlessness Cost Examination, the base cost of Axies will be around $6.09 in 2023. The most extreme value that the Axies can reach is $14.79. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2025. In view of our Axies cost forecast 2025, the cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2030. As per our Axie Endlessness Coin Cost Expectation 2030, the Axies crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axies may be around $50.43. What is Axie Vastness? Axies, being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry. Axie Endlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are limitless approaches to procuring Axie, however, being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie Endlessness. Axie Vastness environment is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axies is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing digital currency. Players can procure the Axies crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight, non-fungible token. NFT games have acquired colossal prevalence around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the Axie biological system in according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time, on the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem, wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and constructs a feel of major areas of strength for cutting the guide to a reasonable stage. Clients can possess the local Axie limitlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Endlessness Convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past lines and the limits of only the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Vastness, Axies, is set to make lives more enabled and quick. In an exceptional manner, the Axie Limitlessness Convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it excess expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. Axies completely centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and impeccable, in this manner legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. Axie Boundlessness Specialized Examination with a market cap of $807,073,347 and an exchanging volume of $31,366,767. Axie Vastness's ongoing cost activity mirrors a fair recuperation. The Axie Boundlessness's cost weights around $6.90, with an untouched high and low of $165.37 and $0.1234. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie Endlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 116,939,046 Axies, and the originators behind Axie Vastness are profoundly hopeful that, being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Limitlessness has a great deal of vows to view for its fans, according to their specialized investigation. As per specialized examination, Axies tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token revised enormously and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. In any case, the future cost of Axie Vastness, Axies, is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie Limitlessness still beneficial in 2023? Axie Endlessness Universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital currency market. The market was incredibly unstable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was likewise horrible. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers, as the market has been recuperating. Notwithstanding, the recuperation of Axie Limitlessness was extremely present moment, and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axies holders might add more tokens to average their possessions. However, for new financial backers, it is a dangerous chance to enter the market. In any case, since the cost is supposed to rise, merchants who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie limitlessness shards. Axie endlessness value forecast 2023. Our Axie vastness crypto cost expectation proposes that the symbolics cost could record a fair recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie endlessness's cost is determined to have a most extreme worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axie's coin value expectation 2024. According to our Axie boundlessness cost expectation, the Axie coin will proceed the upswing as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $17.31, while the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axie's financial backers might procure good benefits in the year. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2025. Axie boundlessness, Axie, in the year 2025, may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16, while the base and greatest Axie vastness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07. Separately, in light of our Axie boundlessness coin cost expectation 2025. Axie's value expectation 2026. According to the Axie limitlessness estimate, the Axie coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In light of our cost expectations, the Axie vastness coins cost ascend for the year may be colossal. Axie crypto value expectation 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie vastness forecast, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of Axie are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie vastness coin value forecast 2028. As per our Axie endlessness expectation, the most extreme worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie boundlessness coin forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the expected high of the coin might have reached $46.71. According to our Axie endlessness crypto cost expectation, taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie endlessness, Axie, the base and normal costs might be around $32.45 and $39.58 individually. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2030. In light of Axie coin cost expectation 2030, the base, most extreme, and normal costs are anticipated to be